Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Hunt Club Farm Facebook Live. We're going to get started in just a minute, and while we wait for all of our farm friends to join us this afternoon, go ahead and comment down below what animals you would like to see. We do have a wide variety of fruits and vegetables that we are going to be handing out today. So go ahead and comment down what animals, and if you do know them by name, go ahead and shout them out. And we'll get started in just a second. Hey Holly, thanks for joining. We'll go ahead and go see some baby goats this morning. Now some of the baby goats are still on the milk, some of them are on food, so we'll actually feed the moms right over here. Feed them some treats. Mama Twix is ready this morning. Hey Shelly, thanks for joining. So if you are just joining us, welcome to our Fun Friday farm tour. Happy Friday to you, Shelly. Go ahead and comment down below what animals you would like to see, what animals are gonna get some special treats today that I just chopped up. So just comment the animal's name if you do know the name, or what type of farm animal you wanna see, and then give some special treats to you this morning. We do have Mama Twix right here, who really wants some treats. There you go. And then all of the little babies right here. All right, let's see if we can feed these chickens some greens real quick. Watch this. All right. So I'm just gonna take a handful and we'll see what they do. Now I'm gonna throw it right out in front of me. Normally we do put them in the black buckets, but I want you guys to see how crazy these chickens are. Hey Roberta, yeah, we'll definitely get to the llamas and alpacas. We are back here with the crazy rooster. Wow, look at the beautiful feathers on this one right here. Look at that. Yeah, we'll definitely get to the pigs too. All right, so now we're gonna head back to our Cooney pigs. We have Charlotte, and then Tiny, and then Boomer. It's a beautiful day out here in Virginia Beach on the farm. Supposed to shower this afternoon, so we'll see if it passes over or not. And all of the parakeets in their aviary chirping away. If you are just joining us, welcome to our fun Friday farm tour. Go ahead and comment down below what animals you would like to see, whether you know them by name or you know what animals you want to see. We also have some treats. So Melissa did shout out to the piggies, so we're going to feed them some apples and zucchinis. So right here we do have Mr. Boomer. Sit. And look at that. Kune Kune pigs are so intelligent. They're just like dogs. And they can actually sit on command. Sit. Good job. Good job. So this is Boomer. He is the youngest Kune Kune here at the farm. We also have Tiny and Charlotte, but I think they're taking their midday nap right now. Mr. Boomer is following me. Sit. Sit. Oh, good boy. Sit. There you go. Oh, man. We got Charlotte. Sit. Sit. Good. There you go. Oop. Sit. Sit. You got to sit all the way. There you go. Oh, all right, let's try it again. Sit. 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 There you go. All right, last one. Ready? Sit. Oh, no. Boom. Ready? Oh, there you go. All right. Let's go check on Darla and Charlie. They are our miniature donkeys on the farm, and they're only a couple years apart. Darla right here is the brown one. She is the girl, and then Charlie is the boy. Hey, Jordan, thanks for watching. Hey, Boomer. Jordan says hey. And Boomer says hey right back to ya. It looks like they do not want any afternoon snacks. Looks like they're pretty good on the hay right now. All right, let's go see our sheep. So right here, these are actually called muck buckets. So it looks like our ops team, hey, they are getting the pen cleaned right now. All of the enclosures are cleaned. So all of the animals are taken care of. Hey, Jackie. So what we do is we put all of the dirty, any of the feces and the straw and everything that's wet and dirty, we do put it in the muck buckets so that every day all of the animals are taken care of, and then their enclosures are also clean. Now over here we do have some silky chickens. So they do have a few distinctive characteristics. One of them is their silk-like feathers. Hey, Tiffany. Hey, Francis. So these are our silky chickens right here. So if you can see on their feet, they do have a few of the feathers. That is one of the distinctive characteristics. Also, the blue on the side of their earlobe. And then also their silky like feathers. So if you are just joining us, welcome to our fun Friday farm tour. Comment down below if you know an animal by their name or if you want to see a certain type of animal. We also did bring some treats around today. Some fresh cut zucchini, apples for everyone. This is actually donated every Tuesday and Thursday. We get about 50 pounds of vegetables and then 50 pounds of fruit from Wegmans. So shout out to Wegmans over on the Boulevard for providing us this awesome partnership. Happy Friday, Mary. Now these right in here are some really awesome birds. Whoops. Scared Mr. Seymour. So this is Seymour and Stella. I won't get too close to them. But they are our East African crowned cranes. Hey, Rhonda, we still do have the peacocks. Actually, what a surprise. There you go, Rhonda. Wow, there we go. So all three of them are fanning out right now. Very cool to watch in person. So the white ones are not actually albino. It is just a color pigmentation. And then we do have our red golden pheasant right here. This curious little guy. Did you know that there's actually 500 different types of pheasants in the world? Hey, Francis. So every week, Monday through Friday, we hop on Facebook Live at 11 a.m. And right after, we do download them and upload them to YouTube, and they're also posted right onto our Facebook account. So you'll be able to go back every single day during the week, whenever you hop on and see all of our lives and all of the animals. It's actually cool to go back a couple weeks and see baby ducks and then watch them now as they're grown up. So the tall one right here is Mr. Bill. And we'll actually take a walk in there, and we actually have some eggs. You're welcome. So it actually looks like there are no eggs over there, but there are the mom and the dad in there, and they both do sit on them. And we like to say that's Noisy Bill in there. Then here's one of our peacocks. And then all of our goats. And then today's live, we're going to go see Sundari. She is Francesca's mother, and she is a pregnant alpaca that we just did get on the farm. And then we're also going to see Zoe. So hang tight for a couple more minutes and we'll head to the back of the property. We have had a lot of questions about our ops team, the flower beds and the grass on the farm. We will be having a Facebook Live with one of the ops team members, hopefully next week, to answer all of your questions about how they keep Hunt Club Farm looking so fresh and beautiful year round. Looks like the rain's coming. We'll see if it actually starts drizzling. All right, so right through here, we do have our pony fields. As we work through all of our projects on the farm, some of the bigger animals are back here. So we'll be able to see how Sundari's doing, AKA Sunny. And also Gigi. Anytime we enter the field, she starts running over. All right, so in here we do have our Dexter cow. We also do have about 4 alpacas and 2 llamas. And then in pony field number 2, we do have a couple ponies and Zoe. Oh, there's Gigi. She's getting up and she's coming. So right there is Sundari, very sweet mama on the farm. Then we have Gigi right here. So Gigi's our Dexter cow. I like to say our dog on the farm. Then right here is actually Sundari. And she is the new mama alpaca. So be sure to follow us into late October because she will be giving birth and the babies are so cute. Now this is only, I believe, Sundari's 2nd or 3rd day on the farm, so she's still getting used to all of the farm animals. And then of course Gigi, who has so much energy. Also next week, be sure to tune into our Facebook page on Thursday. So Sundari, when we did get her, she was freshly sheared. And then as you can see, all of our alpacas still have all of their fur on them. So they will get sheared next Thursday, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And then right here we do have Zoe. And then Pearl, and then Cinderella right back there. So Zoe, we did get in 2015, so she's almost 5 years old, coming up in July. And then next week, also a special, we're gonna start telling the stories of all of our ponies here on the farm, the backgrounds of them, and also just ponies in general. So hopefully by next week, we'll have some more information for everyone. Looks like Zoe is eating all of the afternoon snacks. So again, if you're just joining, this is Sundairy. She is the new alpaca on the farm. She is pregnant, giving birth in late October. So we're super excited to have an alpaca on the farm that is pregnant again. All right, so I hope everyone has a great day. Tune in tonight at 8 p.m. for Bedtime Stories with Conrad.